Hi, my name is Luciana and I'm going to show you how I put on lipstick. So this is what I do. Now I have so I have two to choose from. I have this one from L'Oreal. It's called Unending Kiss, L'Oreal Infallible. I really like this one. However, it's really, it's really soft and it's not really that, you know, cheguei, how we say in Portuguese, I'm here, look at me. So this one is my grandma's. Actually, this is my mother's from Mary Kay. Not sure the one from my grandma went, but at least I have this one. Yeah, so what you can do is you can before was good if you had the dead skin on your lips and all crackly and stuff. You can get toothpaste with a toothbrush, but brush your lips with it first. Or you can use a sugar scrub. I get sugar, mix it with honey, and just rub it on your lips, and then just wash it off, or just lick it off. It's sugar. Okay, so you just go like this. And you have to be careful with this one because it stays for a long time. Here you go on the edges and clean. Edges, clean. Top edge, clean. And pucker out. So, as you can tell, it really accentuates my teeth, so it really looks really vivid, and it makes my teeth look so white, so I love it. Just right now, with the masks that we need to wear to work, to the supermarket, and everything like that, then it's more likely to use less often. However, as I see you on dates or spending time with family, or just for doing yourself up, looking pretty, sometimes it's good to just feel good with yourself, and just feel you're doing something good for yourself. So another thing I want to show is how I do my makeup for my eyes. So I already put on concealer. I put on this one, Covergirl Matte Made. And then right now I use Mary Kay Cherries. Yeah. And now I'm going to use this LA Colors. Pretty cheap. I mean, I have so many eyeshadows that I can't even count. So many, they could last a lifetime. So from this palette, I usually lately I've been going with really dark colors, just because I feel it goes it makes my eyes pop out, because my eyes are pretty dark. So if you put something darker in there, it's gonna show the lighter aspects of your eye color. So let's say I do this one. Say I do this one right here. It's a really dark one. and I just put it on my finger like this. I don't even use a little wand. I can do it with my finger. And then I just go like that. And I do the other one. And I just go like that. And just gently, gently. And it just makes like a shadow effect, you see? And just make it a little even with the other one, but not too much. Depending upon what social setting you're dealing with, you want to have a makeup scheme that is corresponding to that. So like, let's say for instance, I'm just going to work. Then of course the lipstick is out of the question, and then I have the mask instead. So for example, what do you see when I have the mask on? You see my eyes, and you see my eyebrows that are naturally beautiful, so I don't really have much to do about that. But the eyes definitely. So one more thing is I have this e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara, and I can just like wiggle it out, and then I can go like this, and you know, just like adding a little bit of life, right? Just, you know, I'm alive because I'm very pale naturally. I did some DNA testing a few months ago, and I have, surprisingly, I have Greek and Southern Italian. Wow. That's why I'm so pale. But it's gorgeous. So there's the end result. So I hope y'all have a nice day. Kisses, beijos, até lá, tchau.